Good afternoon from Caesars in Las Vegas. I'm Ryan Green. Welcome to Data Cloud Now. I'm joined by Rumy Dukandar, Senior Manager Practitioner and Evangelist at Duracell, along with Suresh Chandrasekaran, Executive Vice President at Denodo. The iconic Duracell brand is known the world over. Their products serve as the heart of devices that keep people connected, protect their families, entertain them, and simplify their increasingly mobile lifestyle. Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. Rumy, to start with, how has the Snowflake and Duracell partnership helped unlock increased potential?
So I think the answer is pretty simple. For us, it's all about providing business value at a speed of light, actually, if I may say so. And that's where it's about modernizing technology, getting into the whole 21st century. And Snowflake is doing a whole bunch of that. Not only its infrastructure in the cloud, taking away the complexities of what I would call the non-essential workload, but also is future ready from a perspective. So I think that's what it brings to the table. Our mission statements are always about increasing the speed to market from a business value standpoint, and at a cost that is not exorbitant from a business standpoint again. So I think Snowflake, for most part, checks all the boxes. It's not only future-proof, but it actually brings a lot more to the table, even in the current times for us. Yeah.
You know, it's an exciting journey up to this point. We're at Snowflake Summit. The energy, the excitement is palpable. Suresh, from your perspective, how is this partnership helping Denodo become the leader in data management?
Yeah, first of all, congratulations on a fantastic show. Really enjoying it.
Thank you.
We have so many of our joint customers here. Talking about the partnership and data management, that's right. Denodo is the a leader in logical data management. That means we are not storing the data. Products like Snowflake and wherever else the data lives is where that data is stored and processed. But business users get this kind of an abstracted, semantic, logical view of their integrated data. That's what Denodo does. In the context of what we do with Snowflake is really, there's a before, during, and after. You know, lots and lots of workloads are moving to Snowflake, right? So when customers like Duracell want to kind of protect the business users from the views that are moving in, the data that's moving into Snowflake, we provide the abstraction layer. While the migration is happening, they may have some data scattered around other places, they're able to still query the data. And then after the fact, we're helping to optimize the queries, and more importantly, drive additional workloads to that Snowflake instance that they have consolidated, while allowing them to also access kind of other data that might be in hybrid or cloud, etc. So that's the role we play, and we're seeing a tremendous success with lots of customers who are also taking that journey towards the cloud.
You know, it's a common theme I've been noticing, collaboration for impact. Rumy, from your perspective, as you look towards the future, what excites you most about the partnership?
Partnership with Snowflake and Denodo?
Correct.
Right, I think Suresh mentioned this, right? For us, I think I'll stay with the same theme about speed to market, yeah? And what Denodo does for us is we're going to always have a hybrid situation. They complement each other well, Denodo being our virtualization leader for us. So there are scenarios for us where we want to bring insights to the business without actually having to move the data. Take the extract and load out of the whole ELT acronym and get things faster in the hands of the business. And we have a situation where the data is residing in our data warehouses, but it's also residing in some of the applications where it needs to stay there, it doesn't need to come out of it. And Denodo just is the right partnership for us to help us achieve that unified layer to access that information and put it in the hands of a business. Yeah.
I want to take a step back. We've talked about journeys and reflection. Duracell's 100th anniversary is coming up in the not too distant future. How has this partnership with Snowflake helped you think about the business for the next century?
So I think it's a platform, as I said, it's future ready, right? It's got a lot of innovations, a lot of stuff that we need to explore from a data sharing standpoint, data monetization standpoint. So a lot of opportunities to innovate from our standpoint so that we are set up for another successful 100 years, I guess. Yeah.
Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me on Data Cloud Now at Snowflake Summit. It's been an absolute pleasure. For the audience, if you want to catch Summit keynotes and more, make sure to catch the on-demand replay at snowflake.com/summit/livestream to explore all the newly announced product innovations. I'm Ryan Green with Data Cloud Now. I'll see you soon.